Hey you guys, today we're gonna be making a paper gun. Put down in the description if you want me to teach you how to make this paper wallet. You might need a little bit of glue or tape on the back. I'll put a little bit of glue stick on the back. And it might be back here. Here it is. It is Elmer's. I used that. Just put it down in the comments if you want a tutorial on it. Here's the pocket where you put your money. And here's the pocket you can put cards and stuff in. Like that. Like business cards. But today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a paper coat. You need 2 pieces of paper. That's what I say, 2 slices of paper. You might not see me as well from here, but you won't have to work with me. Wait, I'm going to just stand real quick. Okay. Okay, now you can see me better. So you can use 2 pieces of paper. 1, 2. Then come over to just put your other piece of paper to the side right now. By the way, this origami, you don't need any tape or anything like that. I can show you guys I can use tape. Me and my cousin, we'd be making AK-47s, looking like the real ones when we were like 8 years old. I'm really good at making guns. This is one I just know in my head. I could do it with my eyes closed, really, but I'm not, for your sake. So what you do, other kids, they copied me, but what you really do is, it's really easy. Yeah, I was trying to make me a star one day, my own star, my own ninja star, and I came up with this when I was making boomerangs too. I ran into this twice, and then I thought, hey, since they fit together like that, then I should make a video on it. And then I never did make my video, but I never did forget how to make it, because I made it up. So somebody had already made it up, but I was just thinking, I didn't get on YouTube how to make a paper gun, but I already knew how to make a paper gun. So this, it can be your barrel or handle, whatever you want. I'm gonna make it the handle. And then you wanna go ahead and do this. And then you wanna do this. Then you want to do a pull. But if it's not the same length as the other one, the pull will not work, and then you'll have to start all over. So you gotta make it, I try to make it exact, the same size, these. Just try your best. And if you can't do it exact, I gotta get this off my air vent because I'm trying to get air to hold air in here. You have to do this, right? People try to do easier ways to put it in, but I don't. I use my way that I made up. The way I made up, it's going to be harder to put the things in, but it's a better chance of it not like just slipping out. So here's your handle. And then you wanna, here's the easier way to do it. Fold it over like you're starting a paper airplane. So make your crease in the middle. Like so. Might not be able to see it with this crease in the middle, right there. We're going to fold it one side to it. And do it one more. I usually call this a paper coat because the way you can, like, since this is going to be skinnier than your, like this, I usually call it a paper coat because that's what coats look like sometimes. So, I'm going to do something like this. Put it on the crease, fold it to the crease, and then you want to fold it in one more time. And then you'll have something looking like this. This bottom one, I didn't do on the top. I just wanted to show you. Okay. And then you fold it over like so, and then you get this. And then you're going to do kind of the same thing, but you get this. And all you gotta do is do that. So you have something like this. And then you get your gun like that. And then here comes the tricky part. Putting them in actually. So what I do, see this? Push that through a little bit. And you want to pull that through. Then, since you have this done now, you can start to see the gun forming. Then the other side, do the same thing. Push that through there. Then you want to pull that up. And then this. Then you want to tighten it by pulling it like that. And tighten it by doing that. Crazy PT, he's happy with my technique, but what he did, he made it so this could shoot. I don't know how he did it. I didn't watch the full video. I can make this clip so it can shoot, and I can make it, because since it does this motion, I can get it to reload easily. See? Then, like, it pushes out and comes back in. So, yeah, you can just do it. Or you can go like this. But it's going to be hard to do that, and you're going to have to pull it back every time you do it. So, that's how you make a paper coat. If you didn't see it as good, I can do another really quick tutorial on it, since you know mostly all the steps. You just didn't get this right. If you didn't get this right, it's okay. Just put down in the comments that you didn't get it right, and I'll help you, like, individually. Like, I'll put it on private so only you can watch it. Or, like, if it's more than one person who comments they had the problem, I'll put it on public for all of them, so then they can all watch it. Okay? Like, I'll put it on private, like, for one person. Because if you didn't know, like, if you're new to YouTube and you've never been on YouTube, you can put it private, but you can put it so only one person and you can watch it. It's a long process. It's not just like click and it says public or private and you push private. That just means you can only watch it. I might do it a tutorial on that too if you want me to. Just kidding. But they should make that. It's a good idea. Make my paper dry, but I ain't got it. If I did. So tell me what I should do next down in the comments. So if you want the like, do you want the paper? You want the wallet, ninja stars, a new paper gun like that can actually shoot. That don't need rubber bands or nothing. It can shoot paper. And it's probably going to be a blow gun. Most of the reason why, because it's going to be made out of paper. And if you don't have like rubber band bullets or something, it's not going to work like that. But we can try to make it so like when you pull the trigger, like it's connected to something in the back and then that moves and then it hits it. But it's not really going to go far. It's probably just going to fall off the gun and then fall on the ground. But if it's a good air, and then it's air coming that way, it'll probably shoot. So please drop a like. If okay, put a subscribe if you want wallet, and like if you want a ninja star. Okay, good for y'all. Line upward donation.